Today, scientists are looking at algae for cheap, renewable sources of biofuels and drugs made from proteins. Using biofuels means less reliance on the planet's depleting reserve of fossil fuels, and using algae could, for example, reduce the cost of the multiple sclerosis drug Tysabri from £122 to just 3 pence per gram. This is because algae do not need the nutrients and energy from food required by mammalian cells which usually produce these drugs. Instead, algae use energy from the sun to produce these products from simple resources. This is the chemical process known as photosynthesis, in which plants and algae take water and carbon dioxide and convert them into glucose and oxygen using light. This all takes place in the part of the cell called the chloroplasts. These contain stacks of membranes called thylakoids, surrounded by a liquid called the stroma. There are two main stages of photosynthesis, the light reactions and the dark reactions. In the light reactions, energy from light is trapped by molecules called chlorophyll within the thylakoids. This energy is used to remove hydrogen from water and place it on carrier molecules for use in the dark reactions. In the dark reactions, no light energy is needed. Carbon from CO2 and hydrogen from the carrier molecules are joined onto a pre-made 5-carbon molecule in a series of reactions to form the 6-carbon molecule glucose. So what are we left with? Oxygen, which is released as a waste product. Now that we've made glucose, the possibilities are virtually endless. Glucose is what fuels our bodies and is the building block for many other molecules such as fats, proteins, starches, and even biofuels. Algae contain the cell machinery to build complex molecules with minimal input by using photosynthesis. This could lead to sustainable fuels and cheaper drugs for less developed countries in the future.
Created using PowToon.